Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix if you are trying to set up your Face ID on your iPhone, but when you try to set up your Face ID you get the message move iPhone a little lower or little higher like this. So guys, here you can see this. If you are also facing this problem and you are unable to set up your Face ID on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply make sure that your front camera of your iPhone is working properly and it is not damaged. So that if the front cam of your iPhone is damaged, then you will not be able to set up your Face ID. So guys, the next solution for this problem is that you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, check this, and after this you have to go to your transfer or reset iPhone settings, and from here tap on reset, and from here reset all settings of your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply contact any iPhone service center for your problem. So guys, hope they will fix this problem for you by checking all the hardwares and softwares of your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.